Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove saved cards from Amazon, payment cleanup step by step clearly. Open your web browser or the Amazon mobile app and sign in to your Amazon account. If you are on a shared device, make sure you are logged into the correct account before changing anything. On desktop, move your cursor to Account and Lists at the top right to open the menu. On mobile, tap the person icon or the menu button to open your account options. Select your account to go to your account dashboard. Scroll until you find the Payments section on the page. Click or tap Payments to open your payment settings. Choose Payment Options to see your saved cards and payment methods. Wait for the list of saved cards to load fully before selecting anything. Find the card you want to remove by checking the last 4 digits and the card type. Click or tap the card to open its details. Look for the option that says Edit or Manage next to that card. Select Remove or Delete to start removing the card from your account. When Amazon asks for confirmation, read the message carefully to avoid deleting the wrong card. Confirm by clicking or tapping Remove from Wallet or Confirm Removal. If you do not see a Remove button, check whether the card is set as your default payment method. If it is the default, change the default to another card or add a new card first. Go back to the payment options list and verify the card is no longer displayed. If you have multiple cards, repeat the same steps for each card you want to delete. Next, check if any active subscriptions or recurring payments are using the removed card. Go to your memberships and subscriptions from your account to review ongoing charges. Update the payment method for any subscription that still needs a valid card. Then go to your orders and look for any open orders that might require payment updates. If an order is pending, edit the payment method on that order to prevent delays. For extra cleanup, open Amazon Wallet if it appears in your payments area and review saved methods again. If you are using Amazon Prime, also confirm your Prime billing method is correct after removals. Finally, sign out of Amazon, especially if you are on a public or shared computer. Sign back in briefly to double-check that only the payment methods you want are saved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.